So now let us start. Now let's get started. So in this video we are going to create a 2D object. In this object has 6 kinds of lines. First is default line, second one is the hidden line, third is the center line, fourth is the hatching line, fifth is the dimensional line, and sixth is the sectional line. We'll set these lines in layers. So the default line is already set, so we have to create only 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Center line, we'll select red color for the central line. The line we are going to use long dash dot. Okay. Now for second line, second one is the hidden line, HIDDEN, hidden, LIN, line. We are going to use the color yellow. And the line type we are going to use is just the dash. Okay, let's select the dash, and yeah, we are good to go. For layer number 3 we are going to use the layer number 3 is center line, hidden line, hatching line, HATCH hatching, LINE. Line. For the line type is continuous, but the color we are going to select is blue. Okay, layer number 4 is F2. Layer number 2 is dimensional line, DIMENTIONAL, dimensional, LINE, line. The color we are going to use is green. Okay, and layer number 5 is sectional line. Sectional line, wait a second, SECTIONAL, sectional, LINE, line. The color we are going to use is purple. Let's go for purple. Now we are going to use the line for sectional line is long dash, short dash. Okay, now let's get started with the drawing. Now we have completed the setup, so let's enter. We're going to specify the point. Yes, we'll click on the ortho mode, and we also need to change the snap settings. Yes, click on the snap feature. Okay, L, enter. Okay, so the first dimension is 2020, 3030, 6060, 60, 3030, 6030, once again 60, okay, repeat line, and enter. 3030, repeat line, and 8080. Repeat line, 2020, 5, enter. L, enter. 5, enter. Okay, escape. L, enter. 5, enter. Just did a mistake. Okay, Now we are going to mirror. Now we have mirror the object. Now let us enter. Now complete it. Wait a second. Now we'll select this again, and we'll use the mirror function. No, we won't erase it. Okay, now the object is complete. Okay, now let us continue where we left. So now, as for now, we have completed the object. We'll just delete this line, center one. We'll delete it, and we'll select the center line, hit L and enter. Now from over here we'll define this point 1 5 15. Okay, we'll go over here till over here, and we'll continue till 1 5 15. And now we will be creating the sectional view. So let us begin with the sectional line. We'll select the sectional line, and wait a second. Yes, repeat line 1 5 15. escape, repeat line. Once again we'll define the point 1 5 15 15. We'll end it over here till this midpoint, and once again 1 5 15. Escape. Now we'll come back over here, repeat line 1 5 15. End it at the center point 15. Escape, and to the last part we'll be drawing over here. One 5 15. Escape, repeat line 1 5 15. Now let us exit it. Okay, so we are done with the center line, we are done with the sectional line, and now we'll be drawing the hidden line. So let us turn off, we'll select the default, we'll select the hidden line, and we'll turn off the sectional line and the current center line. Now let's repeat the line function. We'll just drawing this line for reference. We'll create an offset of 5 mm. Okay, escape. We'll be deleting this line. Enter. We'll select the offset option again. Okay, now we'll select the circle, 2 points. Repeat the circle once again. Cancel. We'll select the circle, 2 points. Okay, now we are going to trim it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Escape, delete, delete, delete. Now that our hidden part is completed, now we will move on to the center part. once again over here we'll type L, enter. We'll just create a line for reference. Again actually this portion has two parts. I'll explain it in the while we are drawing the actual sectional view. So once again we will create the offset of 5 mm, 5, 5, escape. But this time we are going to cover it up with the regular line. L, enter. Escape. L, enter. Escape. While selecting these two lines, we'll delete it and we'll turn back the default line. Yeah, it has the hidden object, but the top view portion also has the same dimension, so we'll be projecting it in the cross-sectional view. Now we'll get back to this part again. So L, enter. Enter. Now we have drawn the hidden line, but it has a slight curve, so L, enter. Five. Escape. L, enter. 110. Escape. L, enter. Escape. Now we'll select the circle radius. Wait a second. Delete. We'll be trimming the excess. Okay, escape, delete, delete, and the last portion, once again L, enter, 5, enter, 4040, escape, be deleting it, and yes, the hidden lines are completed. Now let's put back the yeah. We'll match the properties. Wait a second. Yes. We'll select the layer 0. And now once again, no, first what we will do is that we'll create all the circles. Oh shit. Control. We took a wrong step. Okay. L, enter. We have to measure this portion. 25. C, enter. We'll just shift it over here. Okay, now we'll hit L, enter. Specify the part. And enter. Escape. We'll create the offset of wait a second, offset, enter, 5 5 enter. Trim the excess. No, we'll trim it. Now once again we will trim it. Yes, the sectional view for this particular is completed. Now for this one the measurement is, the radius is 35. C, enter. Enter. Okay. Now this circle has two latches. Offset, enter. Now for this side of the latch we'll be using two circles. No, first we have to trim the axis portion. Now let's create the 2-point circle perpendicular. Okay. Once again we'll be trimming the excess portion. And enter. We'll be drawing a line this portion and we'll make a offset. Now once again trim it. Yes, now this portion is completed, and for this one we'll just copy this portion, CO, enter, click over here. Yes, now we are going to rotate it. Okay, and the last part is circle radius. Now first we'll take the measurement. The measurement is 20 mm. C, enter. Okay, reference point. Okay, 20 mm, and the latch is at the top. We'll just copy this. No. CO. Okay. M, enter. Five, enter. We'll trim the axis part of it, and we'll trim this portion also. Yes, now our process is complete. Now we'll begin with the hash lines. Okay, we'll select the hash. We'll set the line to 20. Okay, 1 2 3 4, enter. Now we are done with our drawing. Thank you very much for watching it. I'll get back to you soon with another amazing project. And one more thing, this is not according to measurement, this is according to instinct, and the purpose of this drawing is to focus on lines and layer of AutoCAD. Thank you.